What you think this my name is on? Okay, start packing then. Shit! Start packing. Man, scared of you? Start packing. You ain't gotta be scared of me. Pack your shit. That's what you do. Pack your shit. Pack my shit. Pack your shit then. Shit! Look at all these ghetto motherfuckers running this
now, see, first of all, that's what you used to, baby. But I am not far from ghetto.
Okay.
So don't get that shit up out your head.
Okay.
That's what you used to dealing with. Don't let that motherfucking gun and bad make you feel like you the top.
It ain't making me feel like shit. It ain't making me feel like shit.
No, I don't give a fuck, but watch your mouth when you talking to me, nigga. What's wrong with you?
You need to go home.
See, when you get to your house, you know, when you get to the house, you can do what you want. Yeah.
Now, you take ass up here for real.
Say it again. Hey, when y'all get y'all house, okay, when you get y'all house, you can do what you want to do. When you get your house, you can do what you want to do. So, you know, y'all pay rent over here, you know. When y'all, okay.
All right, man. Go on, man. Better pick up bald head every day.
Yeah, bald head I'll be in the morning. What happened? Man, look here, man. First of all, we work for management. Okay? First of all, we work for management. Okay? If we make a report about her in non-compliance with what we doing, she'll get a 3-day eviction notice. You see what I'm saying? It's just that simple. This is what she's required to do as a resident at New Horizons. Period. There is no negotiation. There is no I had to go do something and you just run the gate shit. You are supposed to stop right there and give a little bit of information that takes 7 fucking seconds before you go into your home. That takes 7 seconds. Spit out your address and go about your business. That takes 7 seconds. You know, all that attitude shit, all that little extra lip and attitude shit, if we write a report, she'll get a 3-day eviction notice. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. It's just that simple. It's just that simple.
Visiting?
No, I ain't got all that.
Okay.
Nobody bited in that mouth. I promise.
Resident, visitor?
I'm a resident.
Resident, what's the address?
7627 Mississippi Drive, apartment.
Okay.
You got a report sheet for me?
Yeah, I need some report sheet.
Oh, okay. I'll bring some. We'll get all of it.
That's all she had to do. Just say, you know, I use restroom, I'm a resident. I would be like, what's the address? And you say that, I would let her go on through, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's all, you know, what it is. They got it. We got it. Z27-8. Z27-8. Oh, she pulling back around. I still was going to write her plate down.
My address is 1734 Commonwealth Drive, apartment 4.
Oh, well, you go.
Yeah, all that shit right there. Yeah. Stop this. Stop all this motherfucking smart shit. That shit took what? 7 seconds. That took 7 seconds to give you that information, and that's what they required to do. What's happening is most of the security ain't writing these motherfucking folks. I'm writing up everybody. Fuck them.
Okay.
I'm writing up everybody.
Okay, go.
Oh, you can give it to me.
I'm giving you shit.
That's why I got small, because he got small with me first.
Nah, you got small with me.
Nah, whatever, nigga.
Okay.
Hey, we all black, so it don't matter.
It ain't no color food.
It don't matter.
Ain't nobody worried about this shit, man. Ain't nobody worried about this shit. We good. We good. I already throw it at you.